The Portuguese legislative election of 2019 was held on 6 October 2019. All 230 seats to the Assembly of the Republic were contested. In a campaign dominated by the Tancos airbase, robbery was accused of trying to cover up the finding of the stolen weapons in the robbery, but also with the good economic situation in Portugal, the Socialist Party won the elections with 36% of the votes and 108 seats, a gain of 22 compared with 2015. The PS won the big districts of Porto and Lisbon, although Porto was closer than expected and was able to gain districts from the PSD, like Aveiro and Viana do Castelo, by razor-thin margins. The PS won the city of Lisbon, however, with a smaller share of the vote compared with 2015, 33% versus 35%, and, surprisingly, lost the city of Porto to the PSD. The Social Democratic Party obtained 28% of the votes and won 79 seats. The party lost 10 seats compared with 2015, and, in terms of share of vote, it was the worst result since 1983. However, in terms of seats, it was only the worst result since 2005, when the party won 75 seats. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.